Arduino Mega 2560 does not whisper small. It opens more pins, more memory, more room for it all. At its center rests the 8-bit at Mega 2560, running at 16 MHz, steady in pace, with space upon space. 256 kilobytes of flash hold your code, 8 reserved for the bootloader, 8 kilobytes of SRAM keep variables alive, and 4 kilobytes of EEPROM remember when the power no longer flows. 54 digital pins line the board, 15 can pulse with PWM, 16 analog inputs wait to sense, measure, and answer. More lines to connect, more signals to direct, more hardware moving in one coordinated effect. And Mega gives you 4 hardware serial ports, 4 separate paths for GPS, Bluetooth, motor controllers, displays, or another microcontroller. One voice becomes 4, one board opens another door. Mega operates at 5 volts and supports UART, I2C, and SPI. Its larger pin count and memory make it well suited for complex robots, multi-axis machines, 3D printer controllers, home automation, data acquisition, large sensor arrays, and projects using several shields or displays. It is not faster than an Arduino Uno, both usually run at 16 MHz. Mega simply gives your design more room to breathe, more pins to lead, more memory for what your system needs. So when one sensor becomes 10, when one motor becomes many, when the wires spread wider, yet the rhythm stays steady, Arduino Mega is ready. A larger frame, a deeper game, more connections, under one familiar name, Arduino Mega 2560. When your project grows beyond a simple start, and every extra signal needs its own place in the heart,